Narration: The Sun. It's more than just a star. It's the beating heart of our solar system. Every second it fuses 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing the energy that fuels all life. But what if, in an instant, the sun simply vanished? Not a supernova, not a slow death, just gone. For exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds, you wouldn't notice a thing. Gravity and light both travel at the same cosmic speed limit. On Earth, children would still be playing, farmers would be tending to their crops, and the sky would remain a brilliant blue. But silently, the invisible tether holding our planet in place has snapped. We are no longer orbiting, we are drifting. Narration: At the 8-minute and 20-second mark, the last of the solar photons reach Earth. Suddenly the sky turns pitch black. This isn't a normal night. There is no moon, no Venus, no Mars, because their light was only a reflection of the sun. Only the distant cold shimmer of far-off stars remains. Within hours, the panic begins. But the real enemy isn't just the darkness, it's the cold. Our atmosphere acts like a thermal blanket, but without the sun's constant input of 173,000 terawatts of energy, that blanket starts to freeze. Temperatures begin a relentless plunge towards 0 degrees Celsius. Narration: By the end of the first week, the average global temperature drops to -17 degrees Celsius. Photosynthesis, the foundation of almost all life, stops instantly. Small plants and grasses wither within days. The oxygen doesn't run out immediately. Our atmosphere contains enough for us to breathe for thousands of years. But the food chain collapses. As herbivores die off, the predators follow. Only the massive trees, with their slow metabolisms and vast energy reserves, stand like frozen monuments in the dark, surviving for a few more years before they too succumb to the eternal winter. Narration: The oceans are Earth's heat battery. It will take months for the surface to freeze over completely. But as the top layer turns to ice, something fascinating happens. Ice is a great insulator. It traps the remaining heat in the deep water, preventing the oceans from freezing solid for hundreds of thousands of years. Down in the deepest trenches, life continues. Near hydrothermal vents, organisms that never knew the sun existed thrive on geothermal energy. This is where humanity's last hope might lie. Not on the surface, but deep underground, tapping into the heat of Earth's molten core. Narration: A year later, Earth is a frozen wasteland at -73 degrees Celsius. Eventually, the atmosphere itself begins to fail. Oxygen and nitrogen freeze into solid crystals and fall to the ground like eerie chemical snow. Earth is now a rogue planet, traveling at 30 kilometers per second through the interstellar void. No longer a part of a family, just a lonely traveler in the vast empty space between stars. We are a ghost ship, carrying the frozen remains of a once vibrant civilization. The sun was never just a light in the sky. It was our anchor, our engine, our protector. So the next time you feel the warmth of the summer afternoon, remember, that warmth was the only thing standing between us and the infinite silent dark.